Hello, folks. Yesterday I was working on pulling wire out of ribbon and I got it done and I started on this. Now this is not upcycling. I made this skirt a couple years ago. And all I'm doing from last night and today is putting this little scrap of ribbon on here. It runs the length of the bottom of the front of the skirt. Runs the full length of it. And I'm doing a chain stitch. I basted it down and I'm doing a chain stitch on it. And yes, this is my reaction to the tariffs on clothing manufacturing. From clothing made outside of the USA. I am literally buying fabrics from thrift stores, from scrap stores like Scrap PDX, where I'm buying remnants of things, and I'm making my own clothes. I know 100 years ago, most of the clothes sold in the USA were made in the USA. Now, very little clothing is made in the USA that's sold in the USA. And people are saying, oh, it's destroying the fashion industry, the tariffs. Well, maybe, just maybe. This will cause the factories that were clothing manufacturing factories that closed in the last 4 years to reopen, making clothes for companies that do a bunch of manufacturing in China and Vietnam. Maybe we'll get some of our manufacturing jobs back. Maybe, just maybe. In the meantime, I'm hand-sewn clothes. Because I will have what I want. I don't mind making it myself. I'm 63, I'll be 64 in July, and I do not mind doing it myself. Then again, I've been sewing since I was 8 years old, and that was in 1969. So, I may be a bit ahead of the game compared to other people in the US. Anyway, thanks for watching this. Bye now.